Hello dear students. This series of lecture will provide you the Eview's example solutions which are specifically given in Chris Brooks Introductory Econometrics for Finance. So every example which is given in this book we will cover in our this series of lectures. So before the starting of the first chapter example, let me give you some introduction or some importance of the Eviews. There are a number of packages available for econometric modeling in large and over time. All packages have improved in breadth of available techniques and have also converged in terms of what is available in each package. The programs can usefully be categorized according to whether they are fully interactive, command driven, or somewhere in between. Okay, menu driven packages, which are usually based on a standard Microsoft Windows graphically user interface, are almost certainly the easiest for the novice to get start with, for they are require little knowledge for the structure of the package, and the menu can usually be negotiated simply. Eviews is a package that fall into simplest category of the softwares for the econometrics. On the other hand, there are some packages which are not flexible for the user. So under these situations, Eviews is one of the package which is least affordable. It's you can say the easiest and flexible to use, and every command based programming as well as the other user friendly commands are available in Eview. So that's why Brooks has chosen Eviews for the financial issues solutions in applied solutions of his books. Okay, let's see the first and the only example of chapter number 1, that is given on the page number start from the page number 15. Okay, see here we have a screenshot. So see here the command is given that how can we start the Eviews, that creating a file and importing a data in Eviews. So let's start that from the opening of the Eviews. So let's open the Eviews. So see this window will be open. So see here what the demand of the example. So see here a new file menu is open and work file, and you have to use the monthly data from 1991 January to 2013 May. So see, this is the data demand, and you are required to create a new work file. So see here we have a create a new work file. So click on this. So here this window will show that the data regular frequency, and there are different types of data. The data regular frequency has been selected as it is, because the book is also mentioning that we have to select the data regular frequency. Okay, see here on the book the author is using the monthly data, so that's why we have to select a monthly data. We click on the monthly. So there are different types of data sets. So Brooks has chosen a monthly data, so we click on monthly. So see here Brooks is using that the year 1991 January. So we have to write it 1991 colon 01 for the month 01. If you have a December, then you have to write it a 12. So here we have a January, and the end year is 2013 to 05, the May. So see, this is the complete screenshot is Brooks has given as it is. So we have to press OK. Okay, but while pressing OK, see here two options are generated. That first one is C, and second one is the residual. Technically it is called the residual, and C is called for constant, and you are very familiar with these two terms, the constant and the residual or error term. Okay, see what are the next demanded for by the Brooks. So let's start the operation for the importing of the data, or uh, or how can we put the data in Eview. So see, Brooks is using the import option, so that's why we are also using the import option. So see here he is using the import option, so click on file. So here the import option, we are going to import data. So for the easiness, I have taken the data on the desktop. So this is the data file which has been using for this is chapter 1 data file. So I have to use it as it is. No, this is the data file. I click it. So see, this is the screenshot which Brooks has used. So this is the second screenshot. So see, and press next. So see here, this is the highlighted side, highlighted column. So see, Brooks has also highlighted column. So this is the same third screenshot which Brooks has copy and paste here. So see, press next, and after pressing the next, this is the final screenshot for importing the data. And here Brooks has also I can make it a bit more visible for you. So see here, these are the screenshot. This is the final screenshot. So see, the data started from 1991 month 1. So see, we have also the same here. So press finish. So here the software demanded that the link imported series and alphas objects to external source, all type of commands are also importing to the Eview. So we have to press yes. So after pressing the yes, we have a new variable here. So see, this is our series which Brooks has given us in the book. But I will mention you that how can you download the Eview data for the Brooks quoted books, and from where you can find it. Okay, see, this is the Eview's Excel data which Brooks has used. So see here the file name which Brooks has using that this is the file name UK HP. He is using the household pricing data for the UK, so that's why the file name of is same. My file name is also same like Brooks UK household data, average household price data. So let's move forward. So what the Brooks next demand? So he is demanding that rename the series and create a series name with HP. So you have to right click, and here the option is rename, and Brooks is using that this series name as HP household price data. So you have to write it HP and click OK. Okay, after clicking OK, there is the variable name has been changed, HP. Okay, see what's Brooks next demand. Okay, here he's mentioning that there are few commands, and there are number of commands which can be used for Eviews. For the dividing you can use it this sign, and for the multiplication you can use this sign, and for square root, for the square you can use this sign, and for taking the log you can write log and bracket into the exact name of the variable, and this command can be used for the exponential function, and this command can be used for the lag of the variables, and this is at the same time creating taking the log and lag at the same time of the variable. So here Brooks is finding that it is of interest to calculate simple percentage change in the series, and we have to generate a new series. For this you have to copy. If it is better to memorize the formula for finding the percentage change of the series, but if you are only using for a practice session, so you can copy this formula. So see here, click on generate and paste this formula. Okay, keep it in mind while this is our growth rate series. So the new series name must be different from the previous one, because we are creating the growth rate of HV, so that's why it is DHP. And see here from where DHP has been created. It is created from HP and the lag of VHP. So while next you can see, after clicking on this, we will create a new series in our Eviews file. So see here we have a DHP. Okay, what the next Brooks has demanded, that he's saying that you can create a histogram. So either your data is normally distributed, or selected data is normally distributed or not. So you have to click on quick series statistics and histogram and stats. So see here we have to click on quick. This is the series statistics and this is the histogram statistic. And after clicking this, the Eview is demanding that what is the name of series whom you want to draw as a histogram. So we are following the Brooks, so that's why Brooks is making the histogram of DHP. So that's why we have to write it here DHP. Okay, see, this is the same histogram which Brooks has screenshot in his book. So see, all the things are exactly same which Brooks has generated as a screenshot in his book. So see, this is the same screenshot. So what is the main purpose of this practice? It is the main purpose of this practice is to how to generate a histogram with the help of Eviews. So this is not as without any purpose example. So here we are learning that how can we generate a graph in Eview. So see here we are generating a histogram with the help of Eview. So you know the shape, what the interpretation of this shape of the histogram. So this is the bell shape. So this shows that DHP is a normally distributed function. So here the Jar-Cabrera value and probability value and kurtosis and skewness value also shows that the DHP series is normally distributed. And for the normally distributed series, keep it in mind, the Jar-Cabrera and probability value must be insignificant. If this probability value is insignificant, then we can interpret it as our series is normally distributed. So see here Brooks has created this screenshot. So further he is demanding that you can graph it, graph the HP, simple HP. Here we have generated the graph from the DHP, and now he is demanding the graph of HP. So you have to, uh, if you want to save this, or if you want to freeze this, so this is in the freeze form, and you can save it. Okay, for saving it you have to first freeze it, and then when you are closing it, then demanding it, you are, no, it is for the name. Okay, this name, we are naming it up any name. Okay, see, this is series graph have been as it is saved. Okay, now he's demanding from to generate graph from HP. So first see the graph shape, average housing price. So you have to select, either you are selecting or not, you can go on quick and then graph and then write the series. So okay, we are writing it, we are making the graph of HP, so you have to click on the HP and then press OK. After pressing OK, this window will be open, and then you are not going to change anything. By default all things will be, you can use it and press OK. After pressing OK, see, the same graph will be open which screenshot have been given in Brooks book. So see, this is the same screenshot which Brooks has given, so we have generated the same screenshot here. So this is the first chapter only example of Eviews. So with the help of this example we learn how to generate a series graph in Eviews. So as coming examples, in coming examples we will learn the more examples which are valuable and which are very useful in our research point of view. So chapter 2 or 3 examples will be discussed in next video. Okay, ciao.